In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the wrap text feature in Excel. So the Excel wrap text feature can help you fully display longer text in a cell without overflowing it to the other cells. So wrapping text means displaying the cell contents in multiple lines rather than uh, in one long line. So let's say I want to type the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So as you can see, the sentence is too long, which makes it overflow to into the other cells. But I want the sentence to be in just one cell only, which is B2. So what I'm gonna do is I can just click on the wrap text here, and as you noticed, the column length didn't change, but the row width size has been adjusted. So you can just adjust the column here if you want it to be more pleasing to the eye, and then click middle align, and then you know uh, it is much presentable this way. So the other way of doing it, aside from clicking the wrap text here, you can just click on or right click on the cell B2, and then scroll down your mouse all the way to format cells, and then click on wrap text. So you are going to have the same results. Alright, so it depends on you on how you wish it to be more presentable. So you can just adjust it here and then click on middle align. So it's up to you on how you're going to do it. So if you wish also to set up the whole column here, so that you don't manually to do it for every cells, so you can just click the B column and then right click on it, and then click the format cells, and then click wrap text, and then hit OK. So anywhere in this column cell, so let's say if I type it here, so the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So there you have it. You can also have a manual line break. So manual line break, instead of using a wrap text, you can just, if you wish to add a new line of text or add spacing between lines or paragraphs of text in a worksheet cell, you just need to press Alt and Enter. So just to show you, so let's say my column, I wanted to have it this size, and let's say the quick brown fox. So let's say I want to have a new line, so let's say I'll press Alt and then Enter. Fox jumps over the, and then hit Alt again and Enter, lazy dog. So there you have it. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.